Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have an unboxing. I took a trip to Bicester Village, and what you'll see on screen are my purchases. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to unbox, take you through each item and why I purchased it. It's not going to be a long video, but I just wanted to let people know that currently Bicester Village is doing their, I want to say it's their Easter sale, or like their Easter sale event. And I believe it's running from the 20th of March, which is today, and up until 26th of March, something like that. Might even be running into April. I'll confirm the dates and put them on screen. So guys, I'm gonna go through the first bag. So this is from Birkenstock, and I basically, with summer coming up, wanted to get some very simple sandals. These are all in black. Basically just your classic Birkenstock styling, and they're gonna pair lovely with any outfit combination. And this was, so my mom got herself a pair, but this particular one was $58.50. But honestly, I'm just gonna put the prices on screen if anyone's concerned. But there was 25% off buying 2 pairs. So I got a pair, my mom got a pair. Okay, so the next unboxing we have is from All Saints, and I'm just going to get the receipt out of the way. So 3 purchases. So what we went, as you can see, a couple of lovely pairs of earrings. Okay, these were $57, but they were discounted 30% off. And then I got as a necklace to match, I thought, quite nicely with the earrings. Let me know if you agree. And then lastly, you can see the bracelet. So I do think these are definitely more spot on, like for like, really match. I think you can kind of see the concept with the necklace, so it does pair lovely. So I think as a trio, that was a great bargain. And so price-wise, everything had 30% off, and that's the Easter sale they currently have on at the moment. Then from Burberry, it was only a very singular purchase. I was torn between a scarf and a twilly, and I went for the twilly in the end because I know exactly the bag I want to pair it with. I'll put a picture of the scarf if I can find it online. It was also a really great contender, but here you can see the pattern. I just like that it's very much like suitable for spring summer. It's kind of giving pastel, but would also pair lovely in autumn winter, I feel. When I place it onto the bag, I will film that video so you guys can see. Now again, this also was in the sale, so it was 91, so reduced from 130 to 91, and then they did apply 30% off that. So now guys, we come onto the bags. So this was a purchase from Coach, and as I'm sure, well, actually, I'm sure I've mentioned Coach quite a few times, but I'm not sure I've shown my entire Coach collection. I do believe I have a video, but it might need updating. So you get a dust bag, which is always lovely, and this was the bag. Okay, so we're gonna go through the bag. So it's a lovely shade of brown. It's a darker brown, but hopefully you can see that it's got like, I don't know if I want to say that's black, but maybe it's a brown and black. And then you can see Coach lettering here as well. This was nicely in the sale at Bicester, down from $4.95 to $1.99. So you have the front of the bag, which I should probably show you guys. Your Coach logo and lettering, Coach tag. It's gold hardware. I will do a more in-depth dive, but for today it's just the unboxing. So it's shoulder carry. Try and make sure you can see that, okay? And then it's nicely divided into compartments, okay? And then you don't have any like pockets or zips in terms of small size, but then you have this middle which is where you then get like a little place for your wallet. Hopefully that's coming up on camera, you can see. I think it's really good depth, and I think you'd be able to get a laptop depending on its dimensions into this bag. I don't know how easy it is to carry if the bag is really loaded down, because you can see the straps are not the widest, but I think this is cute, you know. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, but I thought it was a great purchase option. This brings me on to my second to last purchase. So this is from Versace, and what did we get? Honestly guys, it's not anything super outstanding, but I thought, again, you get it in a dust bag, but I just thought this was very cute. It comes with the straps, so versatility is the name of the game. So leather, smooth calf leather, beautiful. You've got the Versace logo to the back, okay, and at the front you just have the V logo for Versace, and then simple stud closure fastening, and you basically have spaces for your card, maybe cash or something small. You definitely would be able to get your phone to fit in here, and maybe one day I'll do a what fits in the bag. So this was priced at 900, and then Bicester outlet 580, and then they did apply a discount. I believe it was 30%. We can confirm that by looking at the receipt. 580 down to 406, okay? And then I don't think I've shown you what the straps look like. Sorry guys, I hit the camera stand. So absolutely crossbody style, okay? Depending on length and your stature. So you can see gold hardware, you can adjust the strap length, but I would say it's more shoulder style. And then of course you can turn it into a clutch by just simply taking it off. So simple clutch carry, crossbody depending how tall one is, but more so I'd say definitely shoulder. Hey guys, I saved the best for last, and it's a purchase from Salvatore Ferragamo. I already gave the cat away that it is a bag purchase, because I did let you know I purchased 3 bags. So comes with a dust cover, which is always lovely. And you can see this beauty. This is a navy. It's a grained leather, but very durable. You can see the logo. So very much strap, top handle, versatility. So let's first of all get the pricing out of the way. This was 927, and then it had a further 10% off. Discounted from 927, 834, so 10%. So if we start with the exterior, it has got feet, which is always lovely. So there's feet in the bag, okay? It is a very smooth zip. It's just kind of because it's new. And then this is where you would attach your straps on both sides. And this is how you open the bag. I think it's a reasonable opening length, okay? You have a little pocket at the back, slip pocket. And it's so nicely stuffed. You could get a bag organizer if you wanted it to be a bit more organized, but otherwise it's very simple, very lovely. Now with the crossbody strap, this is some sort of fabric material. It's going to take me ages to get it off, but I'm trying to show more of the hardware, because it's not like the rip-up ones. I'm going to need my scissors, and that's not nearby. This is actually a fabric covering, but what I wanted to show was that it's very much adjustable, the strap length, and then on the other side it would clip in the same way here. So guys, I think from my haul, this is definitely my favorite purchase. I just love the style of the bag. I think she's a beauty, she's classic, very versatile. But let me know in the comments what you guys think. Are you a fan? Is it a yes, a no? But yes, it's a nice top handle carry and great capacity. They have this when I was there in black and a neutral mauve pinky color. Alright guys, well that'll be the end of the video, and I will eventually over time as I use these do what fits in the bag and just kind of show you how they fare. But I do love that this has got feet, and I think it's just such a beautiful style. I did see the hug bag. I'll put a picture up. That is a beauty. That is on the list. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and give the video a thumbs up and do subscribe for more content.